Hi, Willow bird. Hi. 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 This is Willow and Mama. Mommy Wing. She's watching me cooking shrimps today for our dinner. Yeah. Yeah, there's the shrimps right here. Gulf shrimp. Shrimps from the Gulf. Big ones. $7 a pound. So I bought like 7 pounds of shrimps today. Yeah. I cook it with butter and lemon. Butter and lemon. Hi, Willow bird. Okay, Mama is here. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah? You wanna eat shrimp? So, Willow. Come, my baby Willow. You're gonna be eating shrimp tonight? Alright. These shrimps coming from Port Arthur, Texas. Yeah. It's a jumbo size. Clean up. Ready to be frozen. Okay, see bye Willow for now. She's watching mommy every time I'm here in the kitchen. She loves to watch mommy cooking and even daddy. Alright? Say bye bye. Give me a kiss. Mwah! That's loud.